DebugBear can be used across your organization or company with the ability to invite admins and team members. In this video, we'll take a look at how to invite team members, member permissions, and how to create and organize projects. Creating different projects allows you to better organize your website monitoring. Some common reasons for creating different projects are setting up monitoring for different websites and brands, tracking your competitor websites to compare how they are performing to your own, projects for particular clients to keep everything in one place and easily shareable, track production and staging websites in one project to trial changes. There are no restrictions on how many pages or domain names you can monitor in a project. Admins can access and edit all projects, whereas team members can be selected to either view or edit projects. To create a new project, select Manage Projects from the project menu in the top left corner of the dashboard. This will take you to the Projects tab in the Account settings. Then click Create Project. Each project is named as New Project and can be renamed by clicking the pen icon. Let's say that you've just created a new project and you'd like to invite a team member to access the project. We can do this by clicking the Teams tab. This page shows an overview of your entire team and the permissions each team member has. There are two types of access: admins and team members. Admins can be invited at the top of the page, having access to all projects in your account, the ability to invite new users, and access to billing settings. Team members can access specific projects in your account. Team members can be added below. By default, there is a web performance team which can be renamed or removed with the icons above. In this case, we have set up a new project for our staging website and we want our new team member to access this project only. We can click Create Team, name our team, and then select the relevant project. This is a great way to keep things organized. So we'd have one team working on our first project and another team working on our staging project. To invite either an admin or team member to the account, add their email address to the necessary input box and click the Add button to the right. An email will be sent to the user inviting them to create an account if they are not already a member of your organization. Once the invite has been sent, we can adjust the user permissions. By default, team members can create new pages, edit existing ones, or trigger performance tests. We can change this to View Only in the Permissions tab. View Only means the team member won't be able to edit pages, project settings, or trigger tests. New admins and team members can select which alerts and emails they receive in the Email Settings tab. You can get an overview of all of your projects, admins, and team members in the Project tab. The first column shows the scheduled monthly tests for a project. These do not include manual or tests triggered through the API. If you are testing manually and are close to the monthly testing budget, it may be a good idea to reduce the scheduled tests. The test quota allows you to control how many tests a user can schedule for that particular project. If you have many projects in your account, this allows you how lab test quota is allocated between them. These changes are saved automatically. If you have our real user monitoring snippet embedded on your website, the monthly projected views are shown in the Run Views column. The last access column is useful for keeping track to see if a project is actively worked on. If a project hasn't been accessed by any user after a long period of time, you could consider archiving the project. When archiving a project, any scheduled tests will stop. However, existing data will still be available to view. If a user tries to access an archive project, they will see a notification of the project status. Only admins are able to archive and unarchive projects. Projects can also be deleted via the X icon.